Okay, we got the bike outside finally. Too late to ride it, but we started up. It's on the ground again. Looks good on the ground. So I'm going to adjust the carburetor again. And you can adjust, check the clutch out, see if it works. See if you got to adjust it. So go grab me a 7/16, I think, and a ½ inch. Probably 9/16 and 7/16. But bring 7 and 9 and bring all three there. Gas on. Okay, where's the starter button on this thing?
It's
Right here?
Yeah.
Should start without a choke. Go back. All right, get on there and check the clutch out. Put the tire in here or into there if you want to. But if you feel like it moves, just run it into the wall there. Is that where you like it letting out at? Okay. Little push back. Clutch looks good. That's how you check the clutch out. Trying to adjust the mixtures, but it's too hard to get in there. I lean it out a half a turn on the main jet, it seems to be okay. If I go another half turn down, it doesn't take the bar. So this is our main jet adjustment under here. So I had unscrewed half a turn, it took a little bit better, but I'm pretty rich. So I think this is about the same spot. So after this thing cools off, we turn this in all the way until it keeps all the way down. See how far out it is. We get back to that same spot. We'll do the same thing on the idle mixture on the other side. I think we ran out of gas finally. Clutch is working nice and free, engaging nice and even?
Yeah.
The release good?
Good.
And you like where it lets that out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
So, yeah, so we can fine tune the free play and the upper cable
Right.
to adjust where that's at. So after you put about 50 miles out, you probably come back. Yeah, shit. You can't get in and do anything in that damn thing. We'll have to live with whatever it is down there.
That's right.
There should be plenty down there because I gave it I had a 3/4 turn. We took back, what, a quarter? And maybe a little extra. You should have at least a third of a turn of free play.
Yeah.
But that's all we can get on there and live with it.
Yeah, it's a career move to adjust the clutch on it.
All right, so you get off work whenever. You try it. You're blowing out. You go to work early, isn't it? You're at 1.
2 to 10:30.
Yeah, so you're out here at 1. Yeah.
So yeah, next weekend.
It's in my way for this weekend. Need to get her ride it a little bit, but maybe blow half a day off if you want, or if it's slow down there or something, take a half a day deal, whatever. We'll see how we'll work it out.
All right.
Whatever works good for you.
Need to move it someplace right now.
Yeah, I got to clear some room right here for right now, but anyway, it's running good for now.